Good morning guys! Ayan, nandito tayo sa Graffiti Street and Gent is super cool. Every wall burst with wild designs and spray paint creations. It's exciting because the art changes all the time. I come here to take photos of the art that is on the walls of this very short pedestrian street that is near the city center or inside the center. Ito yung street na ginawa para sa mga gumagawa ng mga graffiti para hindi na sila naggawa-gawa kung saan-saan pader o kung saan-saan mga bahay na apartment na ginaganyan nila. So ginawan sila ng street na maliit para doon sila magwala sa kanilang mga painting kung iba't ibang kulay. Kahit sino pwede pumunta dyan. At ang ganda naman ng result sa isang street. What a lovely street of art to walk through. I was mesmerized kasi na-diverse and captivating artwork which truly transported me to a different wonderland. So ayan guys, ang ganda talaga pero at least malinis yung bayan. Wala masyadong mga graffiti sa mga pader. Dito na sila nagwawala mag-painting. So I hope guys you enjoy dito sa Graffiti Street. Thank you for watching and see you on my next vlog. Ciao, ciao!